Hi guys, so we are using Schoology now, so I wanted to show you a little bit about how to use it. Once you get into Class Link, you should just be able to search Schoology and get logged right into it. Yours might look a little different from mine, but basically you should only be able to access my course. So once you get in, you're going to click on Courses. You might have a lot of options, you might not. If you do have a lot of options, you want to just click on the first one that says Homeroom. This is where I'm going to house all of your different work from here on out. So the first folder is called Week 1. It will be where I put all the materials and lessons for this week. Next week there'll be another folder for Week 2, then Week 3. These two for Wayside School and Book March Madness will always be here. So if you look in Wayside School folder, I'll continue to add chapters into it. And if you go into the book March Madness, currently we have the old books that we already voted on, but if you wanted to reread them or look at those Nearpods again, those are those first books. And then currently we are on the Elite 8, so this is the one we're voting on this week. Next week I'll add another one into this folder. So these two folders, the March Madness and the Wayside School, will continue to grow. But for this week, you really only need Week 1. Once you go into there, you can see that I've given you a weekly schedule, and then each day is broken down into the different lessons. If you look at the weekly schedule, it just kind of tells what lessons we need to do. Feel free to change the schedule to work for your family, but we are hoping that you can get 6 lessons done throughout the week, which is basically 2 a day. So you can see for for today, on Tuesday we have a math lesson, here it is, and then a writing lesson, here it is. And then there's some extra optional stuff every once in a while. There's a live mystery Doug at 1 o'clock today, so that could be fun. And really, if you use this, you should be able to click on any of these links and go directly to the lessons. Please note on the first math one, there are 2 different lessons. Otherwise, the materials and lessons are housed in each folder as well. So in our folder, you will see each day there's a daily message. I'm really hoping that we can interact on it back and forth. And then there is the daily lessons. So you'll see that we have that Unit 6 math lesson, and then the writing lesson for the day, and then the bonus thing, which is the Mystery Doug. So if you click on the daily message today, you'll be able to see it's kind of just like some daily announcements, me telling you, like I said, about Mystery Doug is happening, asking a question of the day, and you can be able to write a comment down below where we can interact with each other. And I think you guys can even comment on each other's. My goal is that I get everyone to comment once a day. So that should be fun. They're normally just fun things. So once you've looked at the daily message, then you can choose if you want to do the math lesson or the writing lesson. All the lessons are basically set up the same, where you're going to see a title, you'll see some standards, you'll see some learning targets, a little summary, and really all you need to worry about is down here at the bottom where it says activity or lesson, and normally there's a link. So in this one, there's 2 different links to 2 different Nearpods, and so you can kind of ignore all this other stuff. It's just telling you a little bit more information about the lesson. The other lesson for the day is the writing lesson. Again, there's some information, but really all you need is this link right here. So each day, here's today's. If you want to go back again, you can navigate up top or by using the back button. So on Wednesday, you'll see again that we have a daily message and then our 2 lessons for the day. So I'm hoping that this is pretty easy to navigate. If you have any questions, please let me know. Remember to try to answer the daily question, check out some extra bonus stuff, and 2 lessons a day is really all you need. And if you want some extra work, you can always do Lexia or read some fun books on Epic or get on Redbird. So I hope that you are able to do this. Please let me know if you need any help.